Well, I got it together, head's torqued down, everything's clean and immaculate, completely by the book. The only thing I haven't done is the overhead cams and tuning in the shims, which is going to be a long process and a frustrating process. So I ain't got time to do it today. I'm going to head to work here in a minute, but head's torqued down. This is where the starter clutch stuff goes, but I don't want to put that on until I'm done with this, so I can get the stuff. That just needs a cover. The other side, like this, just needs the stator coil and the cover. Just bolted on. It's like 3 bolts, ain't a big deal. Starter gets bolted on after this plate goes on. And carburetors get thrown on. That's easy enough. So everything, well, I had so many problems along the way I had to solve, but yeah, actually I was trying to get something a little oiled up before I put it together, and then I dropped one part in here, and then I dropped my tweezers. I had some long tweezers I was trying to get it out with, and I dropped those in there here too, and I kept dropping more and more things in there. There's still a pair of my good tweezers in here, and I can't get it out without spilling it everywhere. So yeah, I had little problems. O-ring, this there's a big O-ring this shape under here, and it was way too stretched out, would not fit in the grooves and go together no matter what I did, so I had to cut it and put a bunch of gasket goop on it, and I know this is too short. I need to find a piece of hose to take up the space because I know it's a hair short. And man, the most problems is going to be with, because this is a new super tight timing chain, so it's always a bitch to get the, and then you gotta set the shims go on here, and then the bucket goes over top, and then the cam over top, and you gotta measure them all, and then you gotta take the cams on and off. You gotta take the cams on and off to change them out after you measure them and stuff. It's such a pain in the ass, and I'll probably have to order new ones because I probably won't have the right size. I got some extra, but I probably won't end up having the right size. My luck. I'll have to order some, but because I did the valve job, so that's probably why. So I'm almost done finally. Everything's torqued to spec. Everything went by the book completely and utterly. Did everything correct. And yep, I could get it done today, but I gotta go to work. It's getting too late, and the valve's gonna take too long. And I got such a freaking mess in my house. Holy cow. But at least my bike will be done tomorrow. Yep.